Hi, I'm an experienced qualified consulting dietitian. My name is Swati and I make videos to share right information and knowledge on nutrition, health and wellness. In my previous video, I explained to you how trillions of diverse microorganisms living in the gut are so important for human health and how certain conditions can alter the diversity of gut microbiome. Well, today I would be talking to you about how you can replenish and maintain your gut microbiome. Since it's about our gut microbiome, food should be the first thing we talk about because it's the food that goes through the gut. Probiotics are live microorganisms. It has the same microbes we already have in the gut. So when we are eating probiotics, we are adding or restoring the diverse microorganism in the gut. Certain fermented and cultured foods are an excellent source of probiotics. Although all fermented foods are not probiotics, here I am sharing with you some Indian probiotics that can benefit you. Fresh homemade curd, which is a fermented dairy product made with milk and a bacterial culture that we mix together and keep it for 6 to 10 hours for fermenting, depending upon how hot is the climate. Buttermilk that we make by churning this homemade curd is also an excellent source of probiotic. Indian traditional homemade pickles that we make out of various seasonal fruits and vegetables, which is fermented with salt for days, added oil, spiced up well, flavored well, has probiotics in it. But the ones which we presently make using vinegar doesn't have probiotics in it. Pokhara from Odia cuisine, made by fermenting cooked rice by adding water, which is generally kept overnight and eaten in the next day, has probiotics in it. It is also eaten by some more eastern and other parts of India. Kanji, a North Indian fermented drink made of black carrots and beetroots consumed during summers. Fermented with salt, water and flavored with mustard seeds is also a good probiotic drink. Other fermented foods like the batter of dosa or idli has probiotics in it, but the probiotics or live microorganisms present in it goes off when we heat or steam it up, making dosas and idlis because these microbes cannot resist in temperature of approximately 115 degree Fahrenheit or 65 degrees Celsius, although it still has other nutritional benefits. Remember, one day without probiotics may change the diversity of gut microbiome. So make sure you have a daily intake of right probiotics that will restore and maintain your diverse gut microbiome. Prebiotics are food for probiotics or microbes living in our gut that they need to grow, perform their activity and reproduce more healthy gut microbes. Basically, prebiotics are those foods that our body isn't capable to break down or digest, so it passes them to the microbiota in the large intestine, where our gut microbes ferment them by feeding over it, producing useful metabolites like short-chain fatty acids and various nutrients. Prebiotics are mostly plant-based foods that include fibers, non-digestible oligosaccharides, polyols in it. Okay, you need not focus on these lengthy words. Include more fruits and vegetables like bananas, especially raw banana, onions, garlic, leeks, asparagus. Cereals such as wheat, barley, oats, and legumes such as chickpea, lentils, kidney beans, soybeans in your daily diet. Prebiotics are definitely fibers, but all fibers are not prebiotics. So fibers that are not prebiotics form roughage. An interesting fact is breast milk has both probiotic and prebiotic properties in it. Food avoidance has to be refined sugars, sugary food, because recent studies have shown that high intake of sugars increase the bad bacteria in the gut, decreasing the good bacteria. So, high sugar intake may disturb the balance of microbiota to have increased pro-inflammatory properties and decrease the other capacities. Avoid too oily and deep fried foods too, which can also alter the gut microbial composition. Reduce stress. Maybe through any activity that makes you feel happy. Avoid taking antibiotics unnecessarily until and unless your doctor has prescribed you. Certain studies ensures that doing exercise can enrich our gut microbiome diversity. Sleeping on fixed timings, having proper sleep also has a great impact. Well, this is all for today. If you would like to watch more such videos on nutrition, health and wellness, do subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay tuned. Thank you.